In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deactivate Shopify payments in your Shopify dashboard. This is a quick process, but it's important to move carefully so you understand exactly what's happening before you turn the payment system off. Disabling Shopify payments means your store will no longer use that processing method for customer transactions. So make sure you're ready before you complete the change. To begin, open Google Chrome and access your Shopify dashboard. Once you've signed in and your admin area is fully loaded, take a moment to confirm that you're in the correct store. Since payment settings affect how your business accepts orders, it's always a good idea to double check before making changes. From your Shopify dashboard, look toward the lower left area of the screen and click on Settings. This will open the main settings section for your store, where you can manage important operational features like billing, checkout, and payment options. Inside Settings, select Payments. This is the section where Shopify lists the payment providers connected to your store and gives you access to manage how customers pay at checkout. When the Payments page opens, find the Shopify Payments status card. This area shows the current status of Shopify payments on your store. On that card, click Manage. This will open the detailed settings for Shopify payments where you can review the configuration and make changes to the processing setup. Once you're inside the Shopify payments management page, scroll all the way to the bottom. Near the lower section, you'll see the option labeled Deactivate Shopify Payments. Click that option to turn off the processing system instantly. After selecting it, Shopify may ask you to confirm the action before the deactivation is completed. Read the prompt carefully so you understand the effect this change will have on your store's checkout and payment flow. If you're sure you want to proceed, confirm the deactivation. And that's it. Once completed, Shopify payments will be turned off for your store. If you plan to continue selling without interruption, make sure you have another payment method configured so customers can still complete their purchases successfully. Taking a few extra seconds to verify your payment setup can help prevent failed checkouts or confusion for your customers. That's the full process for deactivating Shopify payments from your Shopify dashboard using Chrome.